If your landlord hasn't fixed a repair problem after 1 month, you already have a legal claim. The Landlord and Tenant Act 1985 states that repairs should be completed in a reasonable time by your landlord. The law considers this as 28 days. So if you've called or emailed your landlord and a month has passed and repairs have not been made to your home, then you can use the law, which supports you to make your council or housing association fix your home. Your landlord will often tell you that they're sending someone to look at the issues. But if your family's health is at risk from damp or a leaking roof, and then taking a look isn't really going to cut it, use your legal rights under the 1985 Landlord and Tenant Act to make your landlord fix your home.